Okay, after you've downloaded and installed Logger Pro, you'll open it up, and if you've already attached your GoLink unit to your computer and your force sensor to the GoLink unit, then what will instantly appear on your computer as you start the Logger Pro program is this graph here, this table over here. And so using this is very, very simple. You just need to start collecting data by clicking the button up here, collect. So if I collect that now, it's collecting this now across 10 seconds. And I'm not doing anything to my force meter. I haven't changed anything, so the force is staying absolutely constant. So now it has collected data on the force every 0.02 seconds. But you can change these parameters to say when you want to change it. So I just click on the little clock graph up here. You can change this now to be time-based. You can do it perhaps over 5 seconds. Perhaps you only want to know what it is over 5 seconds, or perhaps you want to know over 30 seconds. And then how often are you going to collect it? So here it's collecting 50 samples or 0.02 seconds for every sample. We could do 1 second for every sample, and then we will have 30 samples. And we're done. And to clear it, we just go to new. So now I put a new one. Just check my thing. So I want 30 seconds. I want it to collect 1 second for every sample. And let's start collecting. This time I'm going to do something to my force meter. You can't see it, it's off screen, but the force meter is going to change. Okay. Okay, and I can stop my data collection there, because I've collected enough data, and I can see how the force on the force meter changed over time. So that's what you're going to do to start off with. You're going to see what the force is after you've added the different amounts of masses to your force meter. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to plug in your GoLink unit into your computer, and then you're going to plug your dual range force sensor, which should be set to plus or minus 10, into your GoLink unit. And when you've done that, you then open Logger Pro, and when you open it, you will see a screen like this. Now, all you have to do to collect data is click this button, collect. But it's useful if you do change some of the parameters first. So if we say collect, now you can see that this is collecting data over a period of 5 seconds. So it stopped here at 5 seconds. I wasn't changing anything on my force meter, so I had a constant force being pulled there. Now if I want to do this again, I can actually change it. Go into this little clock and graph symbol up here. And now I can say, give me 1 sample per second, and I want to record for 5 seconds. But maybe I only want to record for 2 seconds, because all I'm doing on this experiment is I'm going to hang the mass from the force meter and record what the force is. So maybe I only want 1 sample per second, so I'll do 2 seconds. I'll do 2 samples a second. 2 samples a second. Actually, I'll do 2 seconds per sample. That will work. Okay, so 2 seconds per sample is what you want to do. Done. And when we click collect, it will clear the data and recollect it for us. Okay, so I'm going to hang my mass on there. Collect. Okay, so there's my data collected now. The force there, I got 2 samples. I can take the average of those samples and now record what What you want to notice about this is that it's 3 decimal places. Look at that, there's 3 numbers